What's up, guys, and thank you so much for tuning in to another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now, in this video, I am so happy to be sharing it with you guys because I will be featuring some of the Black & Noble products right here on my channel. All right, let's go. Guys, if you don't know, Black & Noble is a Black-owned family business right here in South Philadelphia. They serve Black products from anything from skincare to hair care to consuming products. They are all about health. So I would highly recommend you go check them out. I'll have all their information linked below, and we'll be featuring some of their products right here on my channel. So guys, if you have not seen my last video on how I make homemade sea moss, we'll be using the homemade sea moss today in my hair. And we'll be trying the shampoo to see if it actually works, but I did create this. If you guys want to go check it out, I'll have it linked above, and you can see how I made my homemade sea moss shampoo. This is the sea moss. If you guys have never seen sea moss or felt sea moss before, you can purchase this right online on their website. Go check it out. It is amazing. I got the chance to use it for the first time, and I had so much fun making that shampoo. They have a sea moss soap. They also have the shampoo and conditioner, and they have so many choices. I got my hands on the mango butter shampoo and the mango butter conditioner. And we're not done. I still have products to talk to you guys about. I did purchase the liquid shea butter infused with moringa and black seed. What? This is like a liquid shea butter. And y'all, it smells heavenly. And the last thing I purchased from their brand was the Shea Butter Hair Pomade with Moroccan Argan Oil. I'll be using this today as well. All of these products are all organic, natural, and good for melanin. Alright guys, so I am ready to take out these little space buns that I have going on here. We're going to go ahead and jump in the shower. We're going to be using the sea moss shampoo to see if it actually works and cleans my hair. Alright guys, let's go. Alright guys, here we are in the shower getting our little dance on and ready for the sea moss shampoo. Now see how nicely it comes out with that applicator bottle? That's going to come in handy for later. It drizzles so nice off my hands. I am so excited. So the first thing you're going to do is just drench your hair in water. Really stay under there. Get your hair nice and moist and ready for the shampoo. When you're ready, squeeze a generous amount of shampoo onto your hands. Go ahead and apply that all over your hair. Now, the first time you shampoo your hair, it's just to get off that top layer of gunk. You have so much gels, leave-in conditioners, curling custards, and whatnot. You want to get all that off. So after you feel as though your hair is clean, go ahead and rinse it out and then go in with the second layer. Now, realize the second time I'm using the shampoo, I'm focusing directly on my scalp. Your scalp is your primary focal point when you're cleaning your hair. And boy, oh boy, did that applicator tip come in handy. I mean, I was able to apply the shampoo directly to my scalp and gently scrub easily with my hands. One thing I quickly realized is you do not need a lot of shampoo for your hair. Make sure you use a generous amount, but don't overdo it like I did. Go ahead and rinse that out, and we're going to do it one more time and make sure our hair is super squeaky clean, but it won't feel stripped at all because there's oils in the shampoo. I have washed my hair 3 times, and now we're ready for the main choice, Proceed with Caution mask. This can be used as a pre-poo or a post-poo. I always use it as a post-poo or a deep conditioner because I absolutely love it. It smells so good, it's nice and thick, and the important thing to remember is that it works with water. So you're going to want to use water as you are putting the mask in your hands, in your hair. Alright, so after you went ahead and put that mask all in your hair, go ahead and pin it up and do the same thing to the other side. I went ahead and already shampooed my hair and deep conditioned it. So I'm going to go ahead and put it up, and now we're going to use a plastic baggie and pin your hair up and out the way. I let that sit for about 15 minutes. Go ahead and rinse out your mask and get ready for your leave-in conditioner. This is the Mango Butter Conditioner from Black & Noble, and it's super thick. I absolutely love it. My hair took to it so well. That's a slow motion shot of how my hair looks, and that's going to be our leave-in conditioner. Go ahead and pin it up, and I will see you guys back upstairs. Alright guys, so I am back and I am finally out of the shower. I'm not gonna lie, that took me 1 hour to wash my hair. I don't know if it's just because I was recording or whatever, but it does take me a pretty long time to wash and detangle my hair, guys. But that is the beauty of natural hair, and we're gonna make it look perfect today. Okay guys, so I did use in the shower the Sea Moss shampoo. Again, if you have not seen this video, please go check it out. I'll have it linked right up here so you can click on the video, or at the end of the video, or in the description below. This is 4 fluid ounces. There's about 1 fluid ounce left, so I did use about 3 fluid ounces of shampoo. This did not strip my hair because there was oils in the shampoo, so after it was done cleaning, it still left my hair very moisturized and soft. It smelled amazing. It lathered good. I really like that I had a pointer tip so I could focus directly on my scalp as well. So this really did the job. My hair feels absolutely clean and it smells great. Okay, after I washed out the shampoo, I did go ahead with a deep conditioner. I used the Main Choice. This really was a nice deep conditioner. I was able to leave this on my hair for about 15 minutes while I washed my body. It really did the job for me. I love Main Choice products. Some of them are okay, but some of them are absolutely bomb, and this is probably going to be a staple in my stash. And I did go in with my final product, and that's the Mango Butter Conditioner. I purchased this from Black & Noble, and man, oh man, did I really love this product, guys. Here it is right here. It's absolutely amazing. They do online shipping, so I'll have their information tag below so you can go check them out. But you can see I did not use a lot. And I have this in my hair as a leave-in, actually. I'm not really a rule follower. This is a conditioner. I'm using this as a leave-in conditioner in my head. So I'm not really a rule follower when it comes to natural hair products. If I buy them, I use them how I want them. Alright, so let's go ahead into the styling process. You guys are probably wondering, what the heck is she about to do now? So I have not done on my channel yet mini twists. Not like mini, but like kind of small. We ain't got time all day now. So we're going to put some twists in our hair, but we're going to make them kind of small. So the product that I'm going to be using is also from Black & Noble. It is their Shea Butter Hair Pomade with Moroccan Argan Oil. Here is the product right here, guys. I am so excited to use it. I'll be absolutely honest with you, I have never used a pomade before, and the ingredients in here is just shea butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, argan oil, grapefruit seed extract, pure mineral jelly, ooh, we got some Ayurveda stuff in here, y'all, olive oil, beeswax, and natural fragrances. So I think one of my favorite things about this product right here is that I can read every last single ingredient that is in this pomade. This is going to be bomb. I cannot wait to use this. I've never used a pomade on my hair before. It definitely reminds me of a wax. Here it is right here, like a grease. It reminds me of Blue Magic. Ooh, oh my god, it smells so good. Wow, that smells really good. Those natural fragrances are definitely coming through. My hair is about to smell so good, guys. I just hope that this product gives me a lot of shine, but I also want it to give me a lot of hold as well. I'm not sure if this is going to hold my twists and give me a lot of definition, but that's what I'm hoping for. Alright, so let's go ahead and take down my hair. This is how we're looking right after the shower, guys. This is my hair. All that's in here again is just the Mango Butter Conditioner. I'm going to go ahead and part my head and we will start in the back. Alright guys, so I do have my hair parted off and sectioned and ready to go. I am going to go ahead and just knock out the back, and I'll just meet you guys in the front because I really want you guys to see the details and the mini twists. So I'm going to go ahead and knock out the back and I will meet you guys in the front. Alright y'all, so I did finish the back section of my head. They're not really like small twists, or like not like mini twists, but I would say like small. I would call these small twists. I am loving the like greasy feeling that is on my hair. It just feels so moisturizing, especially because I know the exact ingredients that are in this wax right here. I haven't used a lot on the back section, so that's another thing that I really like, that is you do not need a lot of this to make it work. This will spread on your hair very smoothly. It's also buildable as well. You could put multiple layers on this to make it thicker, so which is really nice. So I really hope these come out nice, but they're like nice and shiny right now, and they're so pretty. Like, I am loving my twist. So we're gonna go ahead and start the front section so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. I'm just taking out a good sized chunk, and I'll most likely break that down in like 2 to 3 sections. That feels like a good section right there. Alright, so I'm just taking a good size amount. That's like how much I've been using here. And then I literally just take my fingers and I rub it just like that. Just my fingers. I didn't rub it on the palm of my hand or rub it like that. I just used my fingers and smoothed it down. And then after that, I just take my Felicia Leatherwood brush and I start at the ends and I work my way up. And now I have a nice smooth section to split evenly. And I'm going to start to twist. And there is your twist right there. Y'all, I am finally done. I mean, I'm pretty sure I was twisting my hair for about 2 hours. I probably have grease everywhere, but that's okay. I did use about 1/3 of the pomade. Y'all, this gave me so much life. Like, my hair just feels so hydrated. It feels like it's going to hold well with when I take the twist out as well. I love the slippage that I have, the shine, the definition, like everything. I am loving this pomade, so I definitely will recommend you guys go try it, but we won't know until I take my hair out and see if it holds, if it flakes, what will happen. So you'll have to wait until my hair dries to see the final results. I am going to go ahead and head to bed, but I'll be back when my hair is dry to take it out live on camera. And I'm not going to lie, I'm probably going to keep these in for about 2 days. I'll see you guys later. What's up, y'all? I am finally back. I'm not gonna lie, it's been about 3 or 4 days since I had these beautiful twists in. It has been so hot here in Philadelphia. I'm so happy I put these twists in right in the nick of time for this protective style in this summer heat. Plus, I've been getting a lot of compliments on my twists, so why not keep them in? But it's time for me to take them out so I can show you guys the final results. Alright, let's hop in. I'm gonna go ahead and take my twist out, so just sit back, relax, and watch the show. Alright guys, so I just finished taking out all of my twists. I did not feel like separating my twists. I just feel like these are so cute, so defined, so curly. This waxy coat that is on top of my hair is keeping it so moisturizing. This is a really cute style. guys, there it is. This is my video from start to finish on how I style my hair using the pomade shea butter from Black & Noble. Again, if you guys have not had a chance to check out their products, I will have them linked in the description below. But honey, these products were bomb, like for real, for real. Guys, if you have not already, please like, subscribe, and share. If you like my hair, leave a comment below. Tell me what I should do on my channel next. Thank you guys so much for joining me on my journey. My name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.